How to play split screen on Fall Guys on Nintendo Switch. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this video. So if you want to play Fall Guys in the split screen mode, we hate to break it, you cannot actually play the split screen mode on your Fall Guys. This is because the feature has not been developed yet for the Fall Guys. Now, if you check out the help support of Epic Games and type in, is there an option for local split screen multiplayer for Fall Guys? You will get the direct answer, no, there is no option for split screen multiplayer. You can still enjoy the multiplayer mode on Fall Guys, however, you cannot split screen in your Fall Guys. Hopefully, one day Epic Games will come out with an update where you can finally play in a split screen mode on your Fall Guys as well. As for today, you will not be able to do so. The prime motive of this video is to provide you information based on fact direct from Epic Games and bust some of the myth that is going around. Hopefully, this video was informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.